Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're building a website on Wix and want to keep it private, maybe you're working on a project with a team, or you just need a little more time before showing it to the world, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make sure your site on Wix stays private, only visible to the people you choose. By the end, you'll know how to unpublish your site, set up access for just your team, and control who can see each page. So let's jump right in. First things first, if you've already published your website and you don't want it live for everyone to see, you need to unpublish it. To do this, head over to your Wix dashboard and look for the Settings option in the main menu. Click into Settings and then into Website Settings. Here you'll see an option to unpublish site. Go ahead and select that. It might take a minute or two, so don't worry if it's not immediate. Now the public won't be able to access your site. It's essentially taken offline until you're ready to show it. This is especially important if you're still tweaking your design or content or just want some privacy as you work. While you're in the settings, you'll also notice options for inviting collaborators. Maybe you're working with a team member, a copywriter, or a designer, and you want them to have access without making the site public. Simply use the Invite Collaborators feature. Here, you can send invitations to only the people you trust and assign them specific roles, so someone can help edit content without accidentally changing something big, like your design scheme. It's a bit like having a group project where everybody knows exactly their job, you stay in control, and the site stays private. And remember, in the same area, you can manage those roles at any time. If you need to change access or remove someone, it just takes a couple of clicks. Alright, now let's talk about controlling visibility for the individual pages of your site, which is where Wix really helps you lock things down. Go back to your main Wix dashboard and open up the site in the Wix editor. Once you're inside the editor, look for the Pages menu. This is usually on the left side of the screen. Click Pages and then select whichever page you want to protect. Next, click on the little settings icon for that page and you'll see a Permissions tab. This is where the magic happens. Inside Permissions, you have a few solid options. You can set the page to require a password for access, super helpful if you want to share sneak peeks, private galleries, or documents with just a select few. You just give the password to those people and no one else gets in. Alternatively, you can choose members only so that only people who are logged in with accounts you've approved can view the page. This is perfect for internal updates, team resources, or say an ongoing project you want totally under wraps. And there you have it. Maintaining your privacy on Wix is all about knowing which settings to tweak, unpublishing your main site, carefully managing who can collaborate, and locking down individual pages with passwords or member access. Take your time navigating these options. Don't worry if it feels a little overwhelming at first. The key is to make the site behave exactly how you want before you reveal it to the public. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to hit that like button. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions about Wix, or you run into any issues while keeping your site private, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.